Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best beauty products to elevate your style. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with an exciting find that's perfect for the autumn season. Introducing the TailaiMei 12 Sheets Fall Nail Wraps. If you're looking to transform your nails with vibrant, autumn-inspired designs, then you're in for a treat. These nail wraps are self-adhesive, making them incredibly easy to apply at home or on the go. You'll find 12 sheets filled with stunning patterns inspired by the beauty of fall. Think warm colors, leaves, and festive themes that capture the essence of Thanksgiving. What sets these nail wraps apart is their user-friendly design. You simply peel off the desired wrap, stick it onto your nail, and voila, instant nail art. No complicated painting, no need for heating or soaking. In just a few minutes, you can achieve professional-looking results right in your living room. TailaiMei has truly nailed the fall aesthetic with these wraps. You can mix and match to create a unique look for every occasion, whether it's a family gathering or a night out. Plus, the package includes 2 nail files, ensuring you have everything you need for a polished finish. These wraps are made from non-toxic materials, making them safe for long-term use. You can rest easy knowing they won't damage your nails. And for those who love a little extra shine, applying a clear top coat can help them last even longer, giving you a glossy finish that draws attention. To make the most of your nail wraps, here are a couple of quick tips. First, ensure your nails are clean and dry before application. This helps the wraps stick better. If you want them to last longer, consider applying a clear gel on top. It not only adds shine but also provides extra protection against chips. And if you ever decide to remove them, don't worry. They peel off easily without causing any harm to your natural nails. In conclusion, the TailaiMei 12 Sheets Fall Nail Wraps are a fantastic option for anyone looking to embrace the fall season with style. With their ease of use, vibrant designs, and the ability to customize your look, these wraps are perfect for both seasoned nail art enthusiasts and beginners alike. So, if you're ready to take your nail game to the next level this autumn, check out the link in the description below to grab your set today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!